And thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. As we mentioned, we do have that first alert weather day scheduled for Wednesday and Thursday now. Severe weather is in the offing. It gives us a couple of days break, but we have a lot of things to think about in our forecast. And with regards to these first alert weather days, let's make this full screen so you can get a better look. But we will have that chance for some strong to severe storms. We will have that chance for prolonged flooding impacts. We'll go over that as well. Round one comes Wednesday late in the day. Looks like a Southern Valley into Minnesota into early Thursday. Round two will be more widespread, and it does look like both events have that potential for all modes or all types of severe weather, including hail, straight line winds, and spinning winds that are called tornadoes. All will be possible. Thursday's situation looks a little bit more robust to me, but we're going to keep you posted. Still a couple of days out. Remnant low clouds drifting overhead. You see the clearing taking place from Sisseton pushing towards Fargo. Our thunderstorm chances have shifted east. If you look out towards St. Cloud and the Twin Cities, a line of strong storms firing. There's severe potential out there. Wraparound rains on the backside, the cool side of the system, are impacting Towner County and our viewers there. So we'll continue to see additional rainfall, but if we look at the 48-hour radar estimate of rainfall, we showed this moments ago, upwards of 4+ inches in and around Fargo, Ada, and portions of the I-94 corridor into central Barnes County. A lot more than that out there near New Rockford, where we have 4 to 7 inches of rainfall estimated. All this has to roll its way through the rivers, through the red, and back up to areas that are at major flood stage now north of Grand Forks, and that means you'll stay at major flood stage for a prolonged amount of time. Right now, look at the heat of the day. Minneapolis 83 by Hutch's Knees. The yellows are 60s, greens are 50s. It's cool up there on the backside of this system as we go through the day, and we're starting to try to see a few peaks of sunshine here in Fargo and in Moorhead, where our temperature is in the low 60s, the wind gusting over 30 miles per hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows thunderstorm chances are out of here. The rain continues to wrap around on the backside, but the storm itself is lifting up into southern Canada, and that'll take the best chance of rain in that direction as well. Overnight quiet, temperatures slipping into the mid to upper 40s. That's how we start our day. A little bit of a south wind out there, and temperatures will sneak close to 65 degrees to 70 degrees in the afternoon. All in all, not a bad day. The wind dies down late, and it looks like a quiet day, allowing some of the water of recent happenings to flow through our river channels and tributaries. Another look at first alert weather day. Let's get to the American model as we showed you your hour-by-hour forecast. Here's a look at showers and storms that will develop as we go through Wednesday, and then the second round on Thursday wraps its way through. For much of the day, we have south winds getting us nice and warm and humid. So that's why Thursday will bring a slightly better chance of more widespread thunderstorms than on your Wednesday night. Two systems. This is going to change track and intensity, and where the point of this is that wherever these thunderstorms set up to deliver their locally heavy rain, we're going to see bands of 2 or more inches likely. These bands showing up right now in these locations may shift somewhat, but again, we do not want water where we already have major flooding taking place. So the areas of concern are the Red River north of Grand Forks all the way to the Pembina border crossing, the Pembina River through places like Netchie, as well as that Cavalier area, and of course the Cheyenne River Valley from the Valley City area winding down and back up through Kindred and Harwood could be impacted as we go through. Here's that bear again. I want to thank Kirsten for sharing this guy that says it all for all of us. We're just tired of the rain. Another wet day here in the valley. Thursday and Friday, there they are. The chances Wednesday will be late in the day and into your Thursday. Scattered showers, 2-day totals that could be over a couple of inches for many. Then quieter into the weekend. I said that again, a quiet weekend ahead as we go through. Breezy and cooler this weekend. How about that 83 on Sunday, though? That's something we haven't seen here for a long, long time in Fargo. That'll be our warmest one of the year so far.
Dry up.
It would be nice.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Up next.